Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, this is the urgent update of the Vechain, very important for all holders. Never miss. And please I request everyone before starting this video that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates videos, my friends. What's this? What's going on this time in the Vechain? That's a really important update, my friends. This time the price of the Vechain is 0.07 USD dollar. That's the latest update of the price of Vechain. And furthermore, if you want more details about the Vechain, so everything is present on the front of your eyes. You can easily read out this reading. The market cap price of the Vechain in the Bitcoin, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, everything is present on the front of your eyes. So my friends, this time the latest and urgent update is that now this time in the last hour the price of Vechain is very badly falls down. You can also see this kind of changes. You can see negative 1.45% price falls down. So my friends, that's mean that the price going down. The Vechain price falls down in the last 60 minutes. So absolutely now a lot of people are shocked to see this kind of changes occur in the Vechain, but don't worry about this, my friends. That's a temporary fast maybe. And you know what, as I told you in my previous videos, that in the last half of this month there's a possibility to the price take a pump. Possibilities, my friends, not we can't say about the future, but possibilities. And now you can see here already the Vechain start pumping. 9.233% positive changes occurred yesterday, but now in this time the previous last 24 hours price is positive. So that means that in a previous time the price going increase, but now in the last hour the price falls down. So don't worry, that's a temporary falls. After a few minutes, after a 30-minute, the price changes will again positive, and absolutely I believe that you will get good amount of profit from a Vechain. So don't worry about that. Please hold, don't lose hope. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more news and updates videos.